my Cakes for Cash course. I am so excited about this one. I'm always excited, I think you know, but this one has taken me by surprise because I love nutritional food, nutrient-dense food, and here I am in my kitchen with a large smile on my face, bringing to you my Cakes for Cash course. Now, it's because cake is still at the heart of the British nation, but most importantly, I remember how quickly you can make money from making some lovely cakes. And I also remember the absolute horror, or my horror, of looking at the array of cakes made on the primary school tables that were on offer. They all sold out, but they were just a sliding scale of quality. And I thought if I could bring all my knowledge together and put together a series of 12 recipes that are easy, fun, simple, cheap to make, there's every chance you'll have the ingredients already without having to race off, then wouldn't that be helpful? And then the whole cake style thing can be transformed and you've got a wide range of choices of what to make. So something to appeal for everybody, and at the very least, you'll all be able to make your mother, your grandmother, your father, your aunt, your favourite person, maybe even a teacher, your best friend, a cake or something delicious when it gets to their birthday or you want to surprise them. So that's what I'm passing across to you with this course. Hopefully a massive amount of smiles and fun in the kitchen. Recipes that you'll love, particularly because they taste great and they're delicious and simple and easy, and also knowledge that you're going to make a lot of money quickly when you need it. So over and out. I hope you really enjoy it. I'm diving into the Fudgy Brownies now, which we've been making in this house for many years, and I really hope you love them all. They come from my heart, they're fun and fab. Okay, bye.